Hello there, my name is Peter. I'm the web developer and the owner of the company WebBaker. We build extremely high quality websites. Today we'll be doing a small tutorial on how we can use advanced custom fields ACF boot library to put together a small contact form. And we're going to be using one of the pre-built contact modules within the ACF boot library. And we're going to be adding it to one of our websites that we're building right now, Kinsbros Logistics Inc. Really great company. If you need something transported, now you know where to turn. So Kinsbros Logistics, now you know who to call. Okay, so their contact page is empty right now. We have created a small template. Let's have a look at the template. So Pages, we're going to go to Pages, we're going to click on Contact Us, and on the right side you'll see a template selected as Contact Page. How did we create a template? We created a template by just creating a new file within the WordPress theme. We called it temp_contact. You can name it whatever you want, but that I like to name it with the actual name of the page, and temp implies that it's a template. In order to make sure that WordPress knows that it's a template, we specify template name, contact page. Done. Add header, add footer, and in between goes our code. Let's upload this. You'll see that it's going to show up on the page. Just like that. There we go. Goes our code. Okay, so let's find a really cool contact module. Now we have different modules here. We have counters, footers, content, forms and applications. Let's look at contact pages. Actually, I might have to log in. Let's log in first. Okay, again, forms and applications, contact pages. It's blank. I need to add some here. We have an application. That's not exactly what we need. I like this one. I think this is going to work really nicely for the contact form. We have this one, which is a bit more complex, and we have a map and another version which is not needed here. Let's use this one. I'm going to click on expand, and I'm going to download the JSON file. Before I do that, I want to make sure that my downloads folder is empty. I'm going to click on my PC, downloads. Just going to delete everything from here. Alrighty, let's download that JSON file. Okay, the JSON is downloading, and we're going to go to downloads. We're going to open it, copy this. In fact, just drag and drop into downloads folder, because we need to make sure that it's unzipped. If it's zipped, it's not going to work. We need to always unzip it. Let's copy HTML. HTML goes here, just like that. Save and upload. And we need to copy CSS. Let's go to CSS file, my CSS. Let's just paste it here, why not? It can be anywhere really. Save. You can see that we're requesting Oswald as the font. We need to make sure that the Oswald is called within the font includes, so it does it. It is included, that's good. So that should work. Okay, so the last thing that we need to do is to go back to our WordPress. And we need to go to, hold on. We also need to download Formidable, that's what I forgot. So I'm going to click here. Formidable, let's go back to downloads. Open this. And also drag and drop. Just like that. Downloads. So we're using two plugins here, really. We're using Formidable and we're using Advanced Custom Fields. Let's go to Custom Fields and let's import it. I'm going to add new. Oh, sorry. We're going to go to Tools. Yes, choose File. Going to click on Downloads. And that's our file. Click Import. Hopefully I didn't have it before. I don't want to have a duplicate. Let's have a look at our field groups. because this website is almost finished. I don't want to have two of the same identical modules groups. We don't. That's good. We're going to specify that this has to appear post template equals to, no, it has to be home page, contact page. That's where it should appear. And we're going to click update. Let's go to pages, contact us. Going to give it a title, contact us. We're going to set an image. Let's use, let's use this image. Okay. And we're going to click update. Okay, so the last thing that remains is to go to Formidable. We need to import the Formidable file, upload and import. Okay, we have imported it. Let's go to forms now. Let's make sure that this form is the correct form. Contact us. We have two contact us forms. That's good. They have different IDs. And we're going to look into our HTML here. We need to look at the HTML to make sure that the ID matches. Okay, the ID should match. It does match. Theoretically, we're all done. There we go. We have a contact form now. Look at this white space. I don't like that white space. I think we need to remove that white space. It's part of the padding top. No, margin top here. Yeah, that's how we remove. And I think the border top needs to go as well. Now it's going to look very nice and crisp. Okay, so we're going to go and modify CSS a little bit. We always tweak CSS to make sure that the pre-built item matches the layout and the style of the website. Okay, we're all done. Look at that. How long did that take? A couple of minutes? Yeah, it was fast. You know, I don't like the image. It's a low quality image. Let's change the picture. I want to use a different picture. Let's go back to pages. And let's navigate over to contact us. Let's remove this thing. Let's add a different image that has a better resolution. Okay, so this one is 300 kilobytes. Yeah, I think this one will be a lot nicer. Let's click update. Contact us. Refresh it. Yeah, there we go. A lot nicer. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how we build websites. Very fast, very easy. If you liked it, if you want to become part of Advanced Custom Fields library, feel free to join the library. I'm going to log out. Going to click join now. You'll see that you can try it out for just $1 a month, and then once you like it, you can continue using the product at $4.99 per month, and we add new modules almost daily. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below to this video. Thanks, take care, bye.